the setup section, if you go into setup, we have this business card option now where you can put in information about you. We're going to grow this some more. There's still more in here that we're going to put in here, but we just wanted the basics in there. Actually, I needed it myself for a meeting that I was going to, so I just kind of built it for me, but I thought it would be good for all of you guys as well. What this does is you can put in your information, how you want it to look. You can change colors, but basically it creates a QR code that you can display on your phone. And or if you want to paste it somewhere, you can download it and paste it. But basically what it does is whenever somebody uses that QR code, it will pop up a virtual business card. Inside this virtual business card, then it's got, you know, whatever information you've put in, and they also have the ability to add you to their address book in their phone. So just a quick way of doing that. These are live buttons, so if you wanted to click on you know, the email to send an email, they can. Visit the website, whatever you want to do, you can do that. We will be adding more items, some voice things, some a way to collect leads from it. The card itself, or the QR code, may change a little bit based off of what type of list that you're on. You might go in there and say, well, I'm at an agent meeting, so I want to make sure that I get them registered as agents, versus if I'm at an open house, I might want to register this as an open house list. And having different QR codes based off of who they are, or how you're using that QR code will determine that. So I'm still working on the logistics on that one.